Good morning, children. I welcome you all in the second session of Computer Chapter 1, which is Eras and Classification of Computer. During my previous session, we have seen about what were the various primitive calculating devices which were used by our ancestors, forefathers, right? We have also had a glimpse about the utility of a computer as we see it everywhere, right? We have also seen the eras, first one being the manual era, where the calculations were done manually, right? And the first calculating device was abacus. It was abacus, right? Then came the Napier bones. And after that was the mechanical era, in which the tool which was used was a slide rule, right? And this slide rule was so very powerful that man used it for landing on the moon, right? It was so very powerful that we used it for landing on the moon, right? It was used by NASA's engineer. Now today we'll be moving ahead, and today we will be seeing about Pascaline, right? Pascaline, in we are here, children. Right, we are here. In 1642, the young French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal developed another mechanical adding machine called Pascaline, which could add and subtract numbers. Pascaline consisted of a system of gears and wheels. Right? Gears and wheels, a toothed wheel that works with others to alter the relation between the speed of a driving mechanism. Now see this figure here. This is Pascaline, right? Okay. Then Leibniz calculator. Later in the year 1671, Baron Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz of Germany developed a similar mechanical tool that could also perform multiplication and division. Right? Then Jacquard loom. In early 19th century, a Frenchman, Joseph Jacquard, invented a loom that used punched card to automatically control the manufacturing of patterned clothes. Then came Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor at the Cambridge University in 1822, designed a difference engine which was capable of performing automatic multi-step calculation. In the year 1842, he designed a mechanical computer which could perform arithmetic function at an average speed of 60 additions per minute. चार्ल्स बेबेज को ही हम लोग कंप्यूटर के फादर के लिए तौर पर जाना जाते हैं, राइट? इज रिगार्डेड एज द फादर ऑफ द मॉडर्न डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स. ये कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में मैथ्स के प्रोफेसर थे और इन्होंने एक डिफरेंस इंजन बनाया था, और ये इंजन 60 कैलकुलेशंस पर मिनट, एडिशंस पर मिनट कर सकता था. और यही इंजन ने जो है ये बेस बना मॉडर्न डे कंप्यूटर का. एंड दैट इज व्हाई चार्ल्स बेबेज इज कॉल्ड फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न डिजिटल कंप्यूटर, राइट? सी इट्स रिटन हियर, राइट चिल्ड्रन? ओके, सो अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है हु इज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर, इट्स चार्ल्स बेबेज. नाउ tabulating machine. In the late 19th century, a young American statistician, Herman Hoylrith, invented a punched card tabulating machine for processing the census data. He is also a co-founder of the IBM. Right children? तो ये नेक्स्ट कौन थे ये? He was Hermann Hollerith. He invented a punched card tabulating machine for the processing of the census data. Right? He is also a co-founder of the IBM, which is a huge company as far as computers are concerned. Right? You all know about IBM? Okay, great. Now we come to Mind Enhance. Right? Lady Ada Lovelace, known as the first computer programmer and a friend of Babbage, wrote the first sequence of instruction from various tasks for the proposed analytical engine. Right? तो सबसे पहला कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर जो थी उनका नाम क्या था? एडीए, लेडी एडीए लवलेस. राइट? और इन्होंने ही पहली बार कंप्यूटर के इंस्ट्रक्शंस को लिखा था. Right? Now the next one is Bell Relay Computers. In 20th century, under the direction of George Stibitz of Bell Telephone Laboratories, 5 large-scale computers were developed which were capable of high speed and accurate calculations. Right? इन्होंने 5 बड़े-बड़े कंप्यूटर डेवलप किए जिनमें कैपेबिलिटी थी हाई स्पीड की एंड एक्यूरेट कैलकुलेशन की. These used electro-technical relays and were called Bell Relay computers. Right? And after that came the Mark I computer. The world's first general-purpose mechanical digital computer was developed by Howard H. Right? Mark I computer सबसे पहले डेवलप किया गया था by Howard H. Aiken, a professor of physics at Harvard University, in collaboration with IBM. Right? Its design was based on the technique already developed for punched card machine. मतलब ये जो कंप्यूटर्स थे इनमें जो डिज़ाइन थी वो पंच कार्ड मशीनरी वाली ही यूज़ करी गई. This machine was also known as automatic sequence controlled calculator. Right? इस मशीन को ऑटोमेटिक सीक्वेंस कंट्रोल कैलकुलेटर के नाम तौर पर जाना गया. And may be regarded as the first realization of Babbage analytical engine. Right? और ये इसको हम फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन कह सकते हो कि पहली बार वर्ल्ड ने देखा कि Babbage एनालिटिकल इंजन किस तरीके का नजर आएगा. Right? The first electronic computer using 45 vacuum tube valves for internal logic and capacitor for storage and having the concept of binary system was developed by John Vincent Atanasoff and his assistant Clifford Berry in 1942. Right? Vacuum tube और कैपेसिटर को यूज करके जो पहला कंप्यूटर बना वो जॉन विंसेंट एटनासॉफ एंड हिज असिस्टेंट क्लिफोर्ड बेरी ने बनाया था 1942 में. दिस प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ ऑटोमेटिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैलकुलेटर वाज नोन एज एटनासॉफ बेरी कंप्यूटर और एबीसी एंड वाज केपेबल ऑफ सॉल्विंग वेरिएबल्स विद अ हाई डिग्री ऑफ एक्यूरेसी. और ये केपेबल था कई तरीके के कैलकुलेशन करने में विद अ हाई डिग्री ऑफ accuracy. Right children? So in my today's session we have studied various different types of eras of computer. We have studied from the slide rule, then the Pascaline, then Leibniz calculator, then Jacquard loom, then we move to Charles Babbage, who is the father of, regarded as the father of computers. Right? And then we came to the tabulating machine. After tabulating machine it was Bell relay computers, then Mark I computer we had seen, and Mark I computer known as automatic sequence controlled calculators, and they were the first realization of Babbage's analytical engine. Right? So I'm sure you would be having now I come to these 2 points which are there. First, let us see the technical hand. Arithmetic is mathematics and census is the survey of population. Right? Now we come to mind and hands. Grace Hopper was the primary programmer in Mark 1. She invented the first binary language called Phlomatic, which later developed into COBOL. राइट इन्होंने सबसे पहली कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज आप कह सकते हैं जिस भाषा में कंप्यूटर को चीज़ें इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी जाती हैं और यही आगे चल के कोबॉल के नाम से फेमस। सो चिल्ड्रन, द जर्नी ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स फ्रॉम एबेकस, फ्रॉम फिंगर कैलकुलेशन, फ्रॉम फीट कैलकुलेशन, rather the journey of calculation which started from abacus now reached to computers through different stages. Slide rule was used, then many things, right? And now ultimately vacuum tubes and capacitor were used for calculations, or rather calculating device. So these are huge changes, right, which have occurred, and step by step the modern day calculator came into existence. I hope you have understood up till now, and I stop here. In my next session we will be dealing with the electronic era, right? Thank you, children.